Welcome to C.M.P lab. In this video, we are going to solve some simple problems applying the rules of indices. We have simplified the following. A, we're going to consider the first question A. The first question says 10 raised to the power of 5 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Okay, now what rule are we going to apply here? We are going to apply the multiplication rule. Okay, the rule says that whenever you have equal bases, okay, being multiplied, to equal bases raised to powers being multiplied, okay, what you do is you take the bases to a single base and add the powers. Okay, so we have that a we have 10 raised to the power of 5 times 10 raised to the power of 2. So we use the rule a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to m plus n. Okay, it's equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. Okay, so now we say that we'll take this to a single base since the bases are equal and add the powers, so that we have that 5 plus 2 is equal to 10 raised to the power of 7. Okay, so that is the answer for the first question. We go to the second question B. Okay, now if you observe the B question, say simplify 3 a raised to the power of 2 times 8 a raised to the power of 4. You observe this question carefully, you see that this is an algebra, and this variable and this variable are common. Okay, they are the same. Okay, so now we have to look for a way to bring these two variables, okay, together so that we can add their powers. You can take it to a single base and add their powers. Okay, so for that purpose, for that essence, we have to split the algebra. All right, so moving forward, we can write 3a raised to the power. We know that 3a we know that 3a square can be written as 3 times a square. Okay, right? 3a square can be written as 3 times a square. Okay, yes. So now we'll split this. Okay, split this and have 3. Splitting this, we have 3 times a square, all right, times 8 times a raised to the power of 4. Okay, now we have splitted the variable from the coefficient, so we bring the numbers to one side and take the variables to one side, so that we have 3 times 8 times a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 4, so that 3 times 8 is 24, and a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 4 is equal to, you take it to a single base, remember, and add the powers, is equal to a raised to the power of, is equal to 8 raised to the power of 6. So we'll multiply 24a, we'll multiply 24 times a raised to the power of 6, so that we have 24a raised to the power of 6. Okay, so this is the result for this. All right, we go to the next question. The next question says, okay, that we should simplify this expression. Okay, so we'll just look for a way and take the bases that are identical to one side, okay, so that moving forward we solve that this is 3 times 5, okay, times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 times 5, 15. Okay, times, we take this to single base and add their powers. Okay, because the bases are identical. All right, so we will take it to a single base and add their powers. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have 10 raised to the power of 9. Okay, and we have this is equal to, okay, we can write this as 15. We put zeros to the number of 9s that are here. 0 0 0 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, but it's better it's left this way in a standard form. All right, okay, so let's go to the D question. Let's go to the D question. The D question says we should divide 10a raised to the power 10a raised to the power of 8. Okay, we should simplify. We should simplify 10a raised to the power of 8 divided by 10 a raised to the power of 8. All right, so now what are we going to do in this question? We are going to split the algebra. Okay, so we have 10 a raised to the power of 8 divided by 5a raised to the power of 8. Okay, so going forward, this is, we follow the rules that says, the rule of algebra that says that when you have two common base, okay, divided by have two common base being divided, okay, two common base raised to powers being divided, okay, that this is same thing as, okay, take it to a single base and subtract their powers. This is n. Okay, so this expression can be written as 10 a raised to the power of 8 divided by 5a raised to the power of 8. All right, 5a raised to the power of 8. Okay, so that we spread this, we split this, have 10 times a raised to the power of 8 all over 5 times a. This is raised to the power of 8 times a raised to the power of 8. All right, so that 5 will cancel itself 1. I'm going to 10 2. All right, and following the rule of indices, okay, we will add this, we'll subtract this, sorry, we'll subtract this, okay, we'll subtract this, we'll take this to a common base and subtract the powers. That is, we have subtracting this will be a we take a to a single base, okay, let's put it in this form, times a raised to the power of 8 minus 8. Okay, and this is a raised to the power of 0, because 8 minus 8 will be 0. Okay, so this is a, this is 2, this is equal to 2a raised to the power of 0. Okay, and you know that 2 times a raised to the power of 0, 2 times a raised to the power of 0, and you know that any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, we have that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so this expression is equal to 2. The next question we are going to consider is the E question. Okay, we are still using the division rule, okay, for the E question. So you know that this expression can as well be written as 12 a raised to the power of 7 divided by 3 a raised to the power of 2. All right, so that if we split this algebra, we have 12 times a raised to the power of 7 divided by 3 times a raised to the power of 2. Okay, 3 will cancel itself 1, going to 12 4. All right, and this, applying the division rule, this will go up. All right, this will be taken to a single base and subtracted. All right, so we have that 4 times a raised to the power of 7 minus 2. Okay, so that this is equal to a raised to the power of 7 minus 2. This is equal to 5. All right, so that we have 4 times a raised to the power of 5 is equal to 4 a raised to the power of 5. All right, thank you for watching C.M.P Lab. Please subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to the channel, so that we keep bringing you videos like this. Thank you.